This 5-minute solution will show you how to activate standby mode on iOS 17. So if you updated your iOS to 17, follow these simple steps to activate the standby mode. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down. Here you'll find this standby mode option, so tap on it. Now enable standby. Standby will turn on when iPhone is placed on its side while charging to show information like widgets, photo frames or clocks. From here you can enable night mode. Now all you have to need, just plug in the charging cable and charge your iPhone and put your iPhone on a stand like landscape mode, and then you will see the standby mode has been enabled. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.